client came in with this painting, and he said that he got it from the MGM props. It was a prop that they used in a lot of the filming. And he said to me, "What is this? Is this a real painting? Is it an old painting? What is it? What do you think?" Well, I can only surmise because I can't really see the back because they laminated it onto this board, probably with some type of adhesive that you can't get off. And then they did another thing, they painted over it, but I can see where they didn't in-paint it. It was probably in really bad condition. If you look at it in a raking light, you can see like this was all over painted because it's kind of bumpy and it doesn't have the same brush stroke, whereas this is very finely painted and just has beautiful detail handling. So what I'd like to do is take it in the back room and black light it, and you'll see exactly where they painted over it. But I can tell that this is a painting probably from 1890s or so, just by the style of the dress and the brush handling. It's very nicely done, sort of a little more Spanish style. Nice little detail in the dress and in the background. They probably painted out the background. There's a prop number on the back from the studio. And this was purchased from MGM when it closed down. And if anyone can find which film this painting was used in, that would be a great bonus. I think the client would really appreciate that. Let's take it into the back room, into the UV light, and I'll tell you how you can read that.